Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to share with you an easy and effective way to help your orchid grow faster and healthier. If your plant has been slow to develop, don't worry, I've got some great tips to fix it. I have been raising this tree for 4 months, but it is not growing. The first step is to carefully remove the old potting medium. Washing your orchid is super important for its health. This keeps the plant breathing better and absorbing more light for photosynthesis. No worries if the language is tricky, we've got you covered. Our videos come with subtitles in over 100 languages, including English, French, German, Japanese, Korean, and many more. Here's how to enable subtitles. 1. Tap the settings icon on the video. 2. Select Subtitles, CC, and choose your preferred language. 3. If your language isn't listed, just pick Auto Translate for even more options. Enjoy watching in the language that feels most comfortable for you. Happy learning and happy growing! Cutting old roots and broken leaves. By carefully trimming them away, you're giving your plant a fresh start, promoting stronger roots and setting the stage for vibrant new growth. This is a sign of a blooming flower. We're going to cut the flower spike and care for it separately. We're going to use 3 tablespoons of rice. Now, let's pour 500 milliliters of warm water. Do you have rice at home? This simple ingredient is packed with nutrients that can help boost orchid growth. Soak it for 20 minutes. We're going to use rose petals. Let's tear the rose petals into small pieces. Roses aren't just the queen of flowers. They're also packed with amazing benefits for our orchids. They contain natural antioxidants, vitamins, and antibacterial properties. Next, we're going to use sweet leaf. This leafy green isn't just great for cooking, it's also a powerhouse of nutrients for our orchids. It contains vitamin C, vitamin A, iron, and plant-based proteins, which help strengthen the plant's immune system. Now, let's take all the ingredients we've just prepared and put them into the blender. Let's pour 500 milliliters of warm water. Filter the solution through rails. Don't throw away the leftover pulp after straining. It's packed with nutrients and makes an excellent organic fertilizer for other plants. Let's allow the freshly blended solution to rest. After soaking the rice water for 20 minutes, we'll combine it with the blended solution we just prepared. Let's strain the rice water to remove any leftover grains or impurities. Let's dilute the solution with 500 milliliters of water. We'll use a cotton pad to dip into the solution and gently wipe the orchid leaves. This helps remove dust, allowing the plant to breathe better and absorb more light. Soak it for 25 minutes. After soaking for 25 minutes, we'll carefully lift the orchid out and let it drain. This helps prevent excess moisture, which can lead to rot. Next, we'll use cinnamon powder. You might be wondering why cinnamon? Well, cinnamon is a natural antifungal and antibacterial agent that helps dry out wounds, preventing infections and promoting healing. It's time to give our orchid a brand new home. Let's carefully tuck pieces of bark around the sides to secure the orchid in place. Finally, let's add a layer of moss on top. This helps retain moisture, keeping the roots hydrated without making them too wet. Don't let the leftover solution go to waste. It's packed with natural nutrients that can benefit not just your orchids, but also other plants in your home or garden. Each time you care for your orchid, be sure to soak it for only 15 minutes. This helps the roots absorb enough moisture without overwatering. After 5 weeks of care, let's take a closer look at how our orchid has progressed. The leaves have become firmer and more vibrant, showing a deep green color with a healthy, glossy sheen. This is a great sign that the plant is absorbing nutrients well. The new leaves are slightly lighter in shade compared to the older ones, but they are thick and sturdy, indicating strong growth. If you look closely, you might even notice a faint waxy coating. This helps the leaves retain moisture and protect against environmental stress. Now, let's check the roots. The old, weak roots have either dried up or fallen off naturally, making way for fresh, plump, and silvery green roots. Some of them have a slight purple or pink tint at the tips, which is a fantastic indicator of active growth. The velamen, the outer layer of the root, appears smooth and firm, meaning the orchid is efficiently absorbing water and nutrients. Some roots have even started to branch out, anchoring the plant securely into the new growing medium. Make sure to use this solution twice a week for the best results. Consistency is key when caring for orchids. Regular application helps strengthen the roots, nourish the leaves, and encourage healthy growth. If you found this rose tip helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more orchid care tricks. Your support helps spread the love for healthy, thriving orchids. Let me know in the comments, have you tried using roses for your orchids before? How did it work for you? See you in the next video. Happy growing!